My favorite part of the job working on these cars is when the new parts come in and you get to open the boxes, see all the packages, check all the inventory out. Look at that, original Q-clamps. They started getting the original Q-clamps. That's awesome. Was it?
Do you not get the resonators on this?
Got it. It's not Jurassic Park, you freak. They only made 98 446 pack automatic 71 Chargers. So out of the 98, how many of them were optioned triple green with an air grabber? It could easily be one of only one ever made.
Sure you didn't say ratcheting wrench?
Am I one of the best? I don't know. You be the judge. I can tell you every part for every nut for every bolt for every car ever built from 1968 to 1971.
I'll hit the car.
No, guy.
What did you want, buddy?
Does this even begin to look like a ratcheting wrench?
Ha!
Or is
And
this
I'm
a
the
ratchet
one that
with an
doesn't
extension
listen.
and a
What
deep
did I
socket?
tell you? Ratcheting wrench.
Okay, give him the wrench. Then why don't you just get it instead of carrying on?
Well, because then you would have harassed me. No, we
Why
didn't.
do I have to go through this?
Make him say please.
Please. Oh, great one.
Make it big.
Thanks, bro. You're the best. And was that Josh correcting Darren on that one? Nice work, Jay. Nice work.
Go back in the tape. Listen in the audio. I know I said ratcheting wrench.
So you need to go out and find this bolt. You need to take this out there. If you swear that you don't do your usual G.I. Joe doll stuck in the bottom of the bathtub routine, you promise you put it back in.
What in the hell does that mean?
You know what I'm talking about.
I don't.
All right.
What?
Well, you tend to lay things down and then that's where they're setting forever. So like I might go out back and find this wedged in a tire of a car. And then when I ask, well, who left it out here? Everybody says, not me, dude. Just like your G.I. Joe doll that was stuck in the drain of your bathtub that your mom told me about.
Oh,
that
okay.
You continually denied doing, and you know you did.
Well, from now on, if you start asking things like that, I think I'm going to say, who'd you piss off?
Okay, there you go. We made record time installing the exhaust on the 71 Charger. Absolutely everything went according to plan. Everything's where it's supposed to be, bolted down tight, perfect. And why? Because Darren didn't help. Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.